Today, Israel is facilitating the entry of trucks with baby food into Gaza. In the coming days, Israel will facilitate the entry of dozens of aid trucks. Its conclusion, the bottom line is clear. Israel always complies with international law and with its obligations and statements. Everyone in the international community should take a decision which side he is on Israel's side or on the Hamas side. Refusal to lay down its arms. Hamas can end this war immediately. The amount of trucks you just mentioned probably covering more than a few days of supply. As I said before, we are now bridging specific gaps on several items that are close to shortage, are not yet there, but at low levels. And in few days, the operation of the fund will commence. Therefore, we will allow in the numbers of trucks that, first of all, that will be able to get in because there is logistics, but we will facilitate the entrance of such trucks in order to cover the needs until the operation of the fund commences. They are not, you don't need to put all these trucks in. First of all, logistically, it's impossible to put all of them at once. That's clear. But we're speaking about increasing the quantities of the trucks as logistics is getting better and better. And once the distribution centers are opened, most of those trucks will be supplied probably to the centers of distribution. Israel supports this plan fully. The fund will distribute the aid in several. The purpose of the aid is to help the population, not to support Hamas. This is the rationale behind the new American model for aid presented 10 days ago by U.S. Ambassador to Israel, Mike Huckabee. Few words about the new model of aid. An international fund, GHF, will operate based on this principle: direct aid to the population in Gaza, but not to Hamas. Israel supports this plan fully. The fund will distribute the aid in several distribution centers located in safe areas in Gaza. The IDF will not take part of the distribution. The IDF will secure the perimeter. The distribution sites should be operating in a matter of days. No question. The former US President Joe Biden. It's very clear that the area is not as safe as the center of Israel. On the other hand, it's very clear that the American fund took all the measures in order to protect the sites. As I said before, Israel will protect the perimeter itself, but not the distribution centers.